Amber Jones here, and I wanted to talk to you today about a resource that is very, very powerful. If you are an office that struggles with answering the phones or following up with your leads in a systematic way, um, we all know that every phone call missed is potential a patient, a potential income opportunity, a potential life that has to be changed. That's a missed opportunity. And a lot of times I do recognize that as a healthcare practitioner, a chiropractor, massage therapist, acupuncture, whatever it may be, it could be that maybe you're in an office by yourself, or maybe not even that. Maybe you do have assistants, but maybe you have a split shift where maybe you're coming in the morning and maybe there's a 3 or 4 hour gap, and then you come back in the evening. Well, here's the thing, most people don't know that, and so they're still going to try to call you in your office. So I want to share with you a resource that will solve that problem for you, whether that be that you're by yourself in an office, or maybe you just don't have anyone to cover the phones during that time period, or even to follow up correctly with your leads. And the resource that I'm going to tell you about is actually called Jill's Office. It's a resource that I'm going to show you with. I've partnered up with them, but it's really great because what you can do is during certain time frames, you can forward the call to them, and it's a US based service where you'll have what's called a Jill. Okay, you will be assigned a Jill. What that means is you will have a virtual assistant that can answer the calls, they can take appointments, they can set appointments, they can do essentially whatever you need them to do. If you need someone to do appointment reminders for some of your patients, to make sure that they come into the excuse me guys to make sure that they come into the office, you can definitely do that too. One thing I like about them is it's a pay per use type deal. You don't pay a hunk of money ahead of time. You don't pay a set amount per month. It's $5 per month, and then anywhere between $1 and $3 for a call. If there's an incoming call, it's only like $1 or something like that. I'll be sure to connect you to the resource directly where you can actually see their pricing. But like I said, it's really effective, it's really affordable, and it's one of the best services that I've seen for outsourcing things like that. It also elevates your posture. You are the professional. If you're watching this video, more than likely you are the actual professional of the office. You're the doctor. You're the person, the reason why people are coming in. And so if you are the one answering all the phone calls, if you are the one following up about billing, that kind of lowers your posture and it gives you a different relationship with your patient, right? So if your patient is coming in and you're talking about changing their lives, but at the same time you're talking to them about billing and that kind of thing, it's not balanced, right? And you might lose credibility in their eyes, or favoritism, or maybe, people change when you start talking about money. So you want to be the person that they love, right? So let you do your thing. Change the lives, do great services on your patient, and then let someone else handle the billing, the follow-up, the reminders. That keeps you in an elevated, postured position. So I'm gonna put a link on this video somewhere or below the video to my resource that I recommend. It's called Jill's Office, and as a matter of fact, I'm gonna do it according to my website. So my website is success4healthpros.com. Let's just do a /Jill on that, okay? Again, I'll put this on the video. I'll make it so you can see it. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me about this resource, guys. It's really, really powerful. It's US based. You don't have to worry about people, having a heavy accent answering your phone calls. And it's a great resource that I use myself, and I definitely think you will enjoy it. See you on the next video.